Just give it a second. We're off the grid with E in the Gulf of Mexico. Here we go. Alright, you got him, buddy. Make it fast. That could work. Bring it in, bring it in, bring it in, bring it in, bring it in. Leave it, leave it, leave it, leave it. Open bail. Open bail. Reel. Don't jerk, just reel. Let him take it, let him take it, let him take it. I'm a reverse, hang on. All right, clear the buoy. Okay. Let him take it now.
Taking it. Go right. Just let him take it. Let him pull drag if he wants to.
Yep.
Don't realize the drag's going.
Nice, buddy.
All
Alright, get the net side.
I got you.
Get the net, he said. I'm gonna move your glasses before they get smoked.
Oh yeah.
In the boat. Off the grid with E. How many is that?
4, baby.
4?